Hello guys, it's Jira Bro back with another video. Today we're gonna talk about a bit creating the projects in server slash data center. I know server is not in use anymore. Everyone has migrated already to cloud or to data center. So that's why I'm going to show you the project creation in the server, because in the data center, if I can say, there are not much differences within the server. Sure, there's some added functionalities and everything, added the layers of security, which is understandable, but basically pretty much it's the same. So when you go to the projects, you have this list here. When you go to create a project, now you have the option to import the project if you want. You can create with a shared configuration, where you actually share the configuration, and this only can be done with the company managed projects. Team managed projects do not support this. Now, what you have in here is basically options that give you to create either a software or a business project. If you already saw on the cloud, the business project is actually the Jira work management project, and this in here that says project management, task management, and the process management, these are the templates. And in the software, basically it's also the same. So you have the Scrum, you have the Kanban, and also you have something that is actually called the basic software development, which is actually to track development tasks and bugs, which actually is a bug tracking project. So in today's video, we're going to keep things simple and neat. As you can see, not a lot of things are actually being changed in here. You already have your defined issue types, and you already have your defined workflows. Now what I'm going to actually do, I'm going to name this server. I can name it /DC. Alright, so I'm gonna create my project right here, and as you can see, it's already in here and it's already been created. Now you can actually expand this sidebar to see what is going on, but as you already know, everything is pretty much the same. All of the processes are basically pretty much the same, but also you don't have the where it says you have created the company managed project or the team managed project. So if you go to the project settings in here, you're gonna see this huge screen right here. And with this huge screen right here, yes, this is the priority scheme that you can actually see, but you're already familiar with this. And of course, there's some things in here like re-indexing the project. This automatically happens when you have the when you have changed the project key. On the cloud, it says, okay, the project key is going to be changed. The issue keys are also gonna automatically be adapted to the new project key, and the only thing that is happening in the background is actually the re-indexing of the project. Now the interesting thing in here that you actually see is with the audit log. Now someone would ask, okay, for what is this audit log? Now this audit log is for the project specifically. Imagine having this on the cloud, right? To have the audit log for the projects and for all of the changes that actually happened within the project. Yes, there is already existing the audit log for the cloud, and when it comes to everything that is going on the cloud, But what if you had the audit log on the project itself as well? Now you also have the option to delete the project in here. You also have the option for the workflows, for the screens, for the fields, for priorities as well. So you also have the option for the issue types. It actually looks like here. It looks like this. So basically everything that you actually see in here, this is gonna be also in the data center as well. So pretty much you should be familiar with these things. One thing that I'm actually want to show are these project links. Now when it comes to the project links, this is actually being used if you have a Confluence space that is actually connected with this project. So on the data center, you're probably going to see the project links. So that is something that you're going to see. For the automation, almost everything is going to be the same. We're actually creating the rules, development tools as well, issue collectors as well. So basically all of the things are actually the same. So nothing is really changing in here. Okay, so this is going to be our first video when it comes to creating the project in the server/data center. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.